When you search for the best tower fans, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually keeps you cool and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Levoit Tower Fan. The Levoit Tower Fan, a standout at $54.96. This fan grabbed my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want a quiet, efficient fan that truly enhances your comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this fan could be your perfect match. With a whisper-quiet operation at just 28 dB, you can actually sleep soundly without disturbance. It's got a remarkable 25 foot per second wind speed and 90-degree oscillation, giving you a refreshing breeze that covers large spaces effectively. You're looking at a powerful airflow of 1044 CFM, which means it can cool down a room in no time. Plus, it comes with a 12-hour timer and 5 speed settings, allowing you to customize your comfort. But I have to be honest, some users mentioned the remote control can be a bit finicky. If you're not close enough, it might take a few tries to get it to work. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker. For those who value a quiet fan for bedrooms or offices, this could still be an excellent option. This is perfect for you if you need a fan for peaceful nights or focused work sessions. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable for travel. For the price, you're getting a solid balance of performance and comfort. Now, if the remote control issue with the Levoit.
Product number 2, Amazon Basics Tower Fan. The Amazon Basics 28-inch oscillating tower fan, priced at just $35.99. What caught my eye is its straightforward design and functionality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly fan that doesn't skimp on performance, this is worth your attention. This fan is all about efficiency. With 3 speed settings, it lets you control the airflow to suit your needs, whether you're trying to cool down after a hot day or just need a gentle breeze while you work. It's compact, making it ideal for tight spaces, yet powerful enough for decent airflow in bedrooms or small offices. One downside though, some users find the mechanical controls a bit outdated compared to remote or smart options. But here's the thing, if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, this fan gets the job done without unnecessary frills. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable fan that's easy to operate. Skip this one if you need advanced features like remote control or smart tech. For its price, it offers great value and solid cooling performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want advanced features.
Product number 3, Drio Fan. Let's talk about the Drio Fan, priced at $69.95. What drew me in with this model is its advanced technology and impressive airflow capabilities. If you need a fan that can effectively circulate air throughout a large room, this is definitely worth considering. The Drio fan can circulate air up to 90 feet away, which is perfect for larger spaces. With its 8 speed settings and automatic mode, it adjusts the airflow according to the room temperature, ensuring you stay comfortable without constantly fiddling with controls. Plus, it operates at a super quiet 20 dB, making it perfect for nighttime use. However, a few customers mention that it can be a bit bulky for smaller rooms. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it in larger spaces or plan to move it around, its size is a small trade-off for the performance it delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful fan for bigger areas. Skip this one if you need something compact for tight spaces. It's worth the investment for the airflow and features you get. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more compact yet powerful, the next fan just might surprise you. Product number 4, Levoit Mini Tower Fan. We have the Levoit Mini Tower Fan, priced at $39.99. I was intrigued by its portability and quiet operation. If you need a fan that you can easily move from room to room without losing cooling power, this one is definitely worth a look. This fan operates at a low noise level, ranging from 20 to 43 decibels, making it ideal for your desk or bedside table. It delivers strong airflow up to 23 feet per second while consuming minimal power. The multi-angle oscillation allows you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it, which is a nice touch for personalized cooling. One downside is that some users pointed out it doesn't have the same airflow capacity as larger models. But honestly, if you're seeking a quiet fan for close proximity, this mini tower really excels in delivering comfort. This is perfect for you if you want a portable fan for smaller spaces. Skip this one if you need a fan for large rooms. The price is reasonable for the quality provided. Now, if you want a fan that combines power and quiet operation, the final model might just be what you need. Product number 5, Dr. Prepared Tower Fan. The Dr. Prepare Tower Fan, which you can grab for $37.79. What caught my attention is its quiet operation and smart features. If you're looking for a compact fan that doesn't compromise on performance, this one deserves your attention. With 8 speeds and a max wind speed of 23 feet per second, this fan really packs a punch. It operates at just 25 decibels, making it one of the quietest options out there. The remote control and touchscreen make it super convenient to use, and I love that it has a timer feature, letting you set it to turn off automatically. However, some users have reported that the remote can be slightly unresponsive. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly using it in a fixed position, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, since the touchscreen is easy to access. This is perfect for you if you want a compact fan that's quiet and efficient. Skip this one if you need advanced features like smart home integration. For what you pay, it delivers great performance. That wraps up our list of top tower fans. Each offers unique features depending on your needs, from budget options to more advanced models. In summary, the Levoit Tower Fan offers quiet efficiency, while the Amazon Basics fan is a budget-friendly choice. The Drio fan excels in powerful air circulation. The Levoit Mini offers portability, and the Dr. Prepare combines quiet operation with smart features. Each of these fans brings something unique to the table, so depending on your needs, there's definitely a perfect pick for you.